Does somebody have a sweet tooth but still want to eat healthy? My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 6 degrees in my field, and they're all in the natural healthcare space. So, yes, I do eat healthy. However, occasionally I do like to eat something that's sweet. And so, what's a healthy alternative, right? I absolutely love healthy brownies. So, stay with me, right? So, here we can actually make them with protein. So, we use cacao, we use grade B maple syrup, we use a chocolate protein powder. We mix all of that up. Maybe we'll use a little bit of almond flour if we want it to rise. We put it in a pan and bake it, and voila, we have some super yummy, sugar-free, because you use the grade B maple syrup, protein brownies that are not only healthy but also nutritious. So I wanted to share that with you. Obviously, it's on TikTok. I'm not going to tell you all the measurements and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to learn this recipe, I will go ahead and drop it in the comments. Just go ahead and comment, subscribe, and share this with whoever you think wants a nice sweet treat this holiday season, but also wants to be healthy. So check out my daily lives at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I teach you how to live a holistic lifestyle.